Hello everyone, my name is Alan and welcome again to a video featuring our review of the Vantrue N2S Dashcam with 4K frontal camera or dual Quad HD camera. If you're new to dashcams and you go for this one, you might be making an excellent choice, and in this video I will show you why. We were very impressed at first with this camera, great quality packaging, great quality build and very nice design. Mounting it or installing it was very easy, and it was as with any other dashcam we have recommended previously. By the way, we recommend you to watch our video about just that, tips for installing a dashcam, which you will find in the description of the video. It features two cameras, frontal is 4K and secondary goes up to Quad HD, one facing forward, and the secondary, which has the optional infrared support, is facing to the inside of the vehicle. They both have very good viewing angles, very close to what is advertised actually, which is very weird as we have seen many cameras arguing they provide you with much better angles than those they actually have. It comes with a very firm suction mount and an optional adhesive mount, which is available and might be a very good idea as it may avoid vibrations that, depending on the road, may worsen in smaller vehicles. In this particular model, you will get all these features with the GPS module to which the camera attaches itself and through which it gets powered. You get both power and data cables with the Type-C interface, and the power adapter offers an additional USB port, which is very handy. GPS module will provide you not only with the current speed on screen, but also the location at any given moment, as we'll show you in a few seconds. GPS gets very quickly the location, so engine starts and the speed will be recorded immediately. You can use microSD cards of up to 256GB capacity, which is more than enough, as with dual camera recording active, 128GB will store more than 9 hours of video of both cameras at Quad HD or 15 hours of one camera at 4K. It features a file lock support that as soon as a strong vibration or shock is detected, the file will be locked and only can be deleted by card format. Something very useful if you want to track how good your vehicles are being driven. You can also manually lock an event being recorded by pressing the lock file button. The auto lock feature is something we have seen not to work in cheaper cameras. In our experience, it's very useful always to carry a brand new card should you ever need to check files but continue recording. Menus for recording are very intuitive and defaults may be more than enough for any user. However, the printed guide may be interesting to have in your glove compartment, as you can very quickly switch camera view, deactivate the microphone, lock files, or stop recording. The manufacturer recommends formatting the card once a month, and we have no argument against that, as card may get full by locked files and rewriting cycles may shorten. Camera will store both videos in different separate files but in the same folder, and are very easy to identify, different to how it looks in the dashcam. If you choose to use only the frontal camera, it'll store videos of up to 4K 25 frames per second. Camera starts recording just 5 seconds after powering up the vehicle, and location of the GPS only takes 10 to 15 seconds to be acquired, and it's gonna be almost instantaneous if you have recently used the car. If you choose to record simultaneously with both cameras, resolution can go up to Quad HD for both, which is very good too. We also exposed the vehicle to very hot conditions in the car and noticed no deformation of the mount, which is common in cheap cameras. Tips for always having a sharp image: keep lens as clean as possible and the inside of the windshield. Also, if you prefer, go 4K if you just need frontal camera, as frame pausing or frame by frame advance is gonna be much better. Let's go then and take a look at more dashcam features while you watch some sample footage in different conditions. As with many other dashcams we've tested, day view is fantastic and the images are very clear. You can also see how pausing video lets us have a very clear image of what you're viewing or a given situation you might want to emphasize. Internal camera also offers an outstanding video that'll let you monitor or review what happened in the cabin. And if your windows and the geometry of your car lets you, it'll also be a very good way to watch all around the car. Night view inside the car can be switched from infrared to automatic or just pure sensitivity of the camera in low lighting condition. Sound capture is very good and its sensitivity lets you capture most frequencies very well, even though voices could be a little bit better, something also very common in dashcams. As for us, this one's been one of the best cameras we've tested so far, with very good contrast, definition, a clear video pause, and many configurable options that might let you personalize your camera depending of course on the specific conditions you normally use it for. Pausing video is the only weak point we've found so far, particularly when not using the maximum resolution in the frontal camera. I'll leave you with very short clips in different lighting conditions so you'll be able to tell if this camera is the right choice for you. Thanks for watching this video, and if you choose to buy this camera, follow the links in the description as you support us by using them in case that you decide to buy it. See you next time.